That's my old wood hauling trailer there, made out of a boat trailer that I had. I've had this thing for years. You can see there's mud all over it. But anyway, I've ever since I've had this trailer, I I'll back it into the woods and stuff to pick up wood, and invariably I break my tail lights because they're so low on the bottom, and bend up my license plate, yada yada yada. So I'm in the process of putting the lights on the tailgate. You can see this one broke, and what my plan is to hook it up so that I can unhook it and just take the tailgate out, load my wood, and then stick the tailgate back in and then go on. It's back and ends when I do it, or sometimes I have been known to put too much weight on the back and it flip up in the air. Of course, then it lands on the tail lights and that breaks them. So that's what I'm doing right now. I went and bought these little lights at I think I got those at Walmart. I didn't want to put a whole lot of money in this little trailer, but I do use it a lot. That's the lit. I think they cost $7 a piece. I haven't lit them up yet. And back when this was actually a boat trailer, I put these extra wide tires on it so it wouldn't sink in the mud when I was trying to stick my boat in some weird places. And it already had these uprights for boards to hold the trailer on, to guide the trailer on. So I just incorporated those into the trailer, or whatever, vice versa. As you can see, I've hit it a few times with a chainsaw. That's why I wanted a wooden trailer, so a chainsaw wouldn't get destroyed when I was messing around. I may have to replace this board someday. I've almost cut through it a couple of times. You can see a lot of scars. It's all made out of, I think it's 2x6s bolted together. It's done a lot of work. You can throw things at it. It doesn't dent. There, I almost got the metal there. Look at that. Whoa, gotta be careful. I don't remember doing that. I loan it out a little bit. Once in a while somebody wants to borrow it. Got this winch on it to haul big things in. I've moved my wood stove with it. Just all sorts of things. So that's what I'm in the process of doing right now. I'll show you when I get somewhat further along. Alright, I got her done. Took off all the old lights, brackets, all that junk. It's pretty rusty, but hey, for a boat trailer that ruined the boat in it, not bad. Then I can disconnect right here and put it aside. And it won't be down at the bottom getting brush all over it. So that's how I did it. Ran a piece of conduit that I had along here, so in case I got crazy with my chainsaw, I wouldn't cut the wires. The wires down here, I used the existing wires. I just pulled them out of the bottom and ran them through here. I've checked it all works. So I'm done with that. Now if I just remember not to back completely straight into something. But there's no way I can stop from hitting something. If you're careless enough, you're going to hit something. So I got the license plate a little crooked, but yeah. It was all, I had to beat it to straighten it just so I could lay it on there. Could have lowered it a little bit, but that's the way it is. Maybe I will straighten it. It kind of drives me crazy. I'm a straighten kind of guy. I had a 16-foot C-nymph on there, and all the rivets started pulling out of it, leaked, and So I bought an old bass tracker, flat bottom, took the parts out, took two boats, put them together, made one, and then I just scrapped the aluminum boat at the scrapyard and kept the trailer. And I put those bigger, well, the tires were bigger on it. I had those on there for the boat, as I told you before. It holds a lot.